key functions of load spreader mats is to reduce the pressure imposed on the supporting ground. Various ground conditions would have different allowable ground bearing pressures, and also different machines in different lifting environments would have different concentrated outrigger loads. So the load spreader mats are designed to reduce the pressure applied to the ground to ensure that the machine and the lift remain stable at all times. The type of material is really important. Essentially, the area is determined by the load spread requirement, but for the load spread to occur, the system needs to be stiff enough to spread that load. It's manufactured from certified aluminium, so structural properties at time of use are known. The system also comes with an interlock which offers both structural and operational benefits. We do have a structural benefit where you do get load spread between modules, and when used with powered access in the tracking situation for a single layer, you get load transfer as the machine tracks across. With powered access, a lot of people focus on the operating condition when the machine's outriggers are down, but some of the research we've actually identified is the tracking condition, particularly with some of these larger tracked MUPs, the tracking condition can actually be worse than the operating condition. It also comes with handles fitted as standard, so it keeps the operative's hands away from the trapping zone when installing them. And because they are handleable, no short rigging is required compared to non-handleable systems. And because the maximum module weight is 48 kilograms, they're delivered on a small van and they can get to city centre sites, but they can also get to extremely remote regions like wind farms in Scotland. The other benefit is an operational benefit with handleable mats, where you're setting up your configuration below the outrigger and you can ensure that the mat is set up directly centrally. Also with the interlock, you can pull one mat singularly and it will bring the whole system as it moves, ensuring that the outrigger load is applied at the centre of the mat, something which is a lot more difficult to achieve with non-handleable systems. The system is tested. We've done non-destructive compression tests, and we've also done tests in finite element analysis for both in compression for simply supported beam scenarios to simplify its bending strength, and we've also done finite element analysis on compression tests to ultimate failure. We operate single day hire 24/7 nationwide. We also offer weekly hire with the same level of service. We operate out of our depot in Ashbourne, Derbyshire, and we run 8 of our own directly employed drivers operating our own vans, which are all FORS accredited. We also operate a sales option. We keep brand new modules unpainted in our depot, and when customers place an order for a sale, we can paint them in their corporate colours, and if applicable, we can also apply their logo to the modules as well. So for any hire or sale requirements, contact us directly. We trade direct with some of the biggest tier 1 contractors across the UK, and we're happy to trade direct or happy to trade via resellers. But if you want to have a direct discussion with us about your requirements, please contact our head office, and contact details are available on our website.